Alright, so this the customer brought this in. This is a custom build. Brought it in, and his only instructions from the customer notes: get the PC up and running. So from just like vaguely remembering what we talked about, like this customer bought some upgraded parts, got it put together, and could not get it actively going. Yeah, and like his daughter is who was building the PC, and I believe his daughter has a mobility issue. So she was struggling getting some stuff put together. So I just need to take what she's already done, get everything cleaned up, get it corrected, get it looking nice for him, because he says he uses it for minimal gaming. And then, yeah, this thing, yeah, I'm seeing issues all over the place. That out of here. So yeah, this is a problem. We have an M2 standoff. We got two of them, which is why this person probably couldn't get this onto the motherboard. But, and here's our back plate for this cooler. But not a problem, not a problem. We should be able to get this all cleaned up. All right, so we're gonna set this off to the side now. We're gonna go let me go grab my power supply. Test this right now. Just the motherboard, nothing else, except for a fan. We're gonna plug a fan in to see if we get activity. Though we do have post lights up here, so that would work too. Power there. All right, let's see if we get post lights. We get post lights. So, whatever was going on with the build more than likely has something to do with either A, the way something was plugged in, or B, the power supply in there, which we're going to actively test now. That, like this. Yep, we're all good. Give us a flip. All right, let's take it all the way down. Get everything out. All right, so resuming from before the lunch, we are going to start by getting this motherboard reinstalled, seeing as we know it's fine. Hey, look at that. All right, so now that we have power, we are actually having a post loop, meaning that something is not right. And I think it is the memory. So this is DDR4. Angelin, I need to stick a DDR4, please. Try a different memory in this. So we're bouncing back and forth here. Here's my light, gotta find my light. Between CPU and DDR. It's gonna suck if it comes down to this motherboard is damaged. Try a different slot real quick. Yeah, I think this motherboard is damaged. So the M2 is apparently where the operating system is, and it is not in the tech. Let's take a look at this. Let's turn the screen cap back on. Let's do that. Hey, look at that. We got files. That's not a good sign. Alright, so we pulled out the hard drive from this machine, or the NVMe. I think we might have a dead NVMe on my hand because it's no longer straight. I think the board itself has been cracked.